hope you're doing good. My name is Sherry.
My name is Stefan.
And welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today we're cooking instant pot Mongolian beef.
Beef in Filipino means?
Carne ng baka.
Okay, so that's one word for today.
For the Mongolian beef we need about 600 gram beef, in this case flank steak. And we will need about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch in total for the recipe. We need 1 tablespoon olive oil, a half cup of brown sugar, about 10 cloves of garlic. Of course you can adjust a little bit down if this is too much for you. 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, a half cup of soy sauce, about 1.5 cup of water in total, and 1 tablespoon of rice wine. I used a Chinese one, and 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And then for the garnish we need about 1/4 cup of green onions and a teaspoon of sesame seeds. So first we have to cut the meat in bite-sized pieces. So after cutting, your meat should look like this. So then you put all the meat in a bag, preferably Ziploc, but since I'm out of Ziploc bags we use a regular plastic bag, freezer bag. About 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And then you'll keep the bag closed, and then you'll make sure that all the cornstarch get mixed around the meat very well. So we put our crockpot express in browning mode. So to do that we remove the lid first, because it doesn't need the lid. And then we click on browning and we click start. And then it will heat. Start with frying the beef. So we add a little bit of oil first. And then we add the beef. You can add it in batches, but you have to see how much of the beef will fit in there at the same time. So once your meat has been browned, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. So once you finish browning all the meat, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. So you also add the ginger. You add 1 cup of water. You add also a half cup you add also the brown sugar, and you add the chili flakes. Then you stir. And we add also about 1 tablespoon of rice wine. So once everything is mixed well, you stop the heating. You put on the lid and you make sure it's locked. The vent, you make sure it's also closed. And then we're going to pressurize it. So we click manual and it's set to standard maximum 5, but we're going to increase to 8 minutes. And then we click start. While waiting for the meat to pressure cooked, we already can make a slurry that we can put in a mixture later. So we have half a cup of water, and then we're adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then we're mixing it. Until it's totally dissolved, and then we can mix it later into the sauce, and it will thicken the sauce. So once the pressure cooker has finished to cook the meat, we click stop and we let it natural press release for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes waiting, we let the remaining pressure release by lifting the vent. So after all the pressure is off, then you can open the lid.
Go.
So then we add the slurry we just made from the cornstarch and the water. And then we press the pressure cooker to brown mode again. And we heat it again. And then we cook for another 3 minutes until the sauce thickens. So after 3 minutes of cooking with the slurry, it will look a bit more thick like this, and you can see the glaze. And your food is finished, and you can transfer it to a serving bowl. So once you transfer to a bowl, you spread a little bit of the garnish. You can also serve it separately with it, but just add a little bit. Some of that sesame seed. And then you're done.
Yum! Let's eat!